I'm the host of today for the webinar. My name is Jason. I'm working in Europe. I'm based in our office in the Netherlands. And today I will give you a webinar about our latest innovation for the energy storage system. Yeah, if you have any questions during the webinar, you can drop your question in the chat. My colleague will answer you as well. All right, so let's start. Our focus for today is almost every industry, reliable, sustainable, and cost-efficient energy. So today we are going to talk about two major innovation from Roypal, which is the mobile ESS and the diesel generator ESS. All right, let's move forward. So this is the content of today. First, I'm going to start with a company introduction about our company, and then moving forward with the followed topic, and ended up with a Q&A session. For those who may not know us well, let me just briefly introduce Roypal. So Roypal, we are a one-stop new energy solution provider. What does that means? We designed, so which is R&D, we manufactured, and also we sell the energy storage. Our factories, we have a fully automatic production line, and we have also our testing centers for also for the quality controls and everything, including the PCS, BMS, and the EMS, we developed by ourselves. So this is the world map of our companies. We have different local company in different countries. So our headquarters is located in China, in Huizhou City, and we have also different office in the Asia parts. We have an office in Japan, we have an office in Korea. We have also recently we just built up our new factory in Indonesia. And for the Middle East, we have an office in Iraq. And our biggest market at this moment is in the US. So our HQ for the US market is located in California, and we have also other four offices in one in Florida, in Texas, in Georgia, and also in Indiana. For the European markets, we have an office in the Netherlands, which is where I'm based in, and also in Germany. And for all the local office around the world, we have also the warehouse to have like a ready stock to have a fast delivery. And yeah, I think we also gonna expand more and more office for the local markets in different country. Why? Because we want to provide our customers with a fast reaction with the stocks, but also for the after sales service. Worldwide, we have more than 750 plus employees. And for the R&D, we have more than 200 plus peoples. And yeah, we have also more than 295 patents. This is like a world map. Right, so our experts covered everything from the CNI energy storage system, the residential energy storage system, and also the vehicle mounted mobile energy storage system. And beside this, we have also a product for the industry batteries, like for the forklift and also for the golf cars. So as you can see, we invest heavily in innovations. We have more than 200 plus people in the R&D, and we achieved more than 295 patents and awards. And for the BMS, for the PCS, and for the EMS, it's all in one design in-house. And the manufacturing capabilities, all the production is fully automatic, and the production capacity, we have more than 8 gigawatt hours a year. And also we have our own testing laboratory, and we are authorized from the TUV suit, also from CSA groups. And I think for a lot of customers, they are also find important of the certifications, which is we have for the EU we have the CE, and for the US we have UL, and also we have all the required certification for the transport. And yeah, the quality control capabilities. We have also our own quality control team, a big team to make sure that all the product is going out with the A quality product. So the second part of this webinar is the industry challenge and trends. I think at this moment, the most people are still using the diesel generators as a power supply, but it has a lot of disadvantage. For example, high cost, and this information is for, I think, is for the European market. So if, for example, a 5 kilowatt generators consumed around 2.84 liter per hour, and for the average euro price at nowadays is around 1.61 euro per liter. And if you're working like a 12-hour day, it's like 55 euro per 12 hours, and it's cost around 20,000 euro a year. And what we want to try to do is provide a solution to save more on the money that you pay for the fuels. And it has also noise pollutions and exhaust pollutions. It is harmful for the health, but also for the environment. I think a lot of countries nowadays they are more focused on the green environment project. So if you have some green project, maybe you can also get money from the government. I think it's also a very good investment for your company. And the regular diesel generators is not intelligent, and is without a smart monitoring, and also needs often maintenance and oil change. So yeah, I think just in overall, these generators just have a lot of disadvantage, and we want to provide a solution to get rid of the diesel generators. Okay. So this is a graph about the current situation on the markets. The fact is that diesel generators still dominate the off-grid and mobile power markets, but it has also a lot of pain points. But if you look at the growth of the global BESS, the market added over 120 in 2024. It's growing like 30%, 35% year on year, and the forecast in the coming years is gonna be more than 1,000 gigawatt hours will be installed by 2030. And yeah, I think also on the if you compare the growth, the D is just growing like 4 to 5%, and it's cost a lot, and also it have a bad on the emission parts. So in short, I think the clear message is the future belong to hybrid and green solutions, and that is also Roypal what we want to do to help to achieve this goal for the customers. All right, so let me present you our solution, the Roypal PC 15KT. This is a hybrid energy storage solutions. As you can see, it is very compact and mobile, because the whole unit is a pallet size unit. And one unit you have 15 kilowatts power together with 33 kilowatt hours for the capacity for the batteries. It eliminates the needs for oversized DGs, the diesel generators. It is rugged, vibration resistant, and IP 54 out for outdoor use. And it supports grid, solar, and DC charging. And you can connect in total 6 units to have a bigger power up to 90 kilowatt power, and also for a bigger capacity of 198 kilowatt hours with 6 units together. So the PC 15KT, it has an automatic DC charging control and handles inductive loads. It has also a GPS function and a 4G remote monitoring system. I think the GPS is a very added value part for the company, for the rental company, because if you rent these machines to a customers, you can also know where's the unit. If the unit get lost or get stolen, you can also get it back. And the 4G remote monitoring is you can check all the informations from the applications we provide also on the website live. If there's something wrong with the unit, you can also see directly on the monitoring system. And the unit is also integrated with a fire protection and preheating for cold environments, because we think the safety is also very important. So all the units is equipped with a fire protection kit inside of the machines to prevent dangerous situations. And this unit can apply it for the construction site, roadworks, farms, outdoor events like festivals, also for the emergency backup. And for the bigger project, we have these solutions. This is also a hybrid solutions. It's called X 250 KT. So it has a higher power. It's around 250 kilowatt output and also a peak power of 530 kilowatts. And this solution is actually to help you to reduce the diesel generator size, because you can together with our solution you can use a smaller lower power diesel generators, and then you're gonna save money because it's lower fuel consumptions and also a lower maintenance cost. It has a hybrid mode, so you can use it together with the diesel generators, but also off-grid mode. So when the diesel generator fails, this unit can work as an independent power supply. And this unit is great for a bigger project like a bigger construction site, mining, mining sites, temporary power, and microgrids. If you have any questions, you can just drop in the chats, and my colleague will answer you as soon as possible. Okay. Okay. So the advantage of this unit, the X 250 KT, is all-in-one design. So the size of this unit is like a container size. It's plug and play. So you can just drop it on the construction site, connect all the cables, and you can use it directly. Fire protection and in the integrated safety. And also, you can connect more units together to have a bigger power, up to 2 megawatts, and for capacity is up to 1,228.8 kilowatt hours, and high compatibilities. You can charge with the DGs, with the solar panel, also from the grid. So for the bigger units, the Roypower X 250 KT is for high power industrial size, and the core value is reduce the diesel generator size, save cost on the fuel use, and also good for the environment, and to try to create like a zero emission environment. This is some applications you can use like on the farm, constructions, outdoor parties, festivals, emergency power backup, ranch, water pump, and mining. And the Roypower PC 15KT is for mobile and smaller projects. Okay, this is like a compare from the traditional DG generators together with our product. it's lower cost for the ownership, sustainable, low noise, low emissions. And for the smaller units, it's more flexibilities, mobile flexibilities, easy to transport. And for the bigger one is yeah, 30% fuel saving. Okay, so next topic is some application case studies. This project is gathering by our team in different countries. That we got like a request from the customers, and then we need to provide a solution to them. And this is the case I'm gonna talk about. So the first case is in South Africa. In Africa, a lot of farmers they are using drones for spraying pesticides, fertilizers, and also monitoring the crop health. And we got a request from our customers to provide the solutions for the drones charging because the drone flights times are short, so it required a frequent ground charging or battery swaps. And this is the challenge we faced for the project. Unstable or no grid access at all, higher cost, noise, and emissions from the diesel generators, expensive transport, and oftenly maintenance. Drone operations demand very frequent and reliable charging support. So yeah, based on this project, our team in South Africa comes up with the solution, which is by deploying our PC15KT with solar panels, and our team create an off-grid drone charging station. So this is how it looks like. This is also the picture was made at front of our office in South Africa. It has a solar panel and together with the PC50KT integration, off-grid and mobile charging station for the drones, and it reduced the diesel by 30 to 50%. And farmers enjoyed more uptime and lower cost. And also for the farming communities, it benefit from cleaner and quieter operations. So this is like the idea also for you. Maybe you have some connection with the farmers, with the horticulture industries that you can use this as ideas to provide these kind of solutions to your customers. Right. So the next case is about cutting machines charging, and this is a request from our customers in the Netherlands. They are renting heavy industrial machines together with the diesel generators, but they want to have a greener solutions. So the cutting machines in the industrial workshop or a construction site, they are often required a high inrush current during the startup. And normally they are using traditional diesel generators, but if you provide such higher current, you need to have oversized, so a bigger diesel generator to handle these peaks. And yeah, it's resulting in waste, fuels, and higher cost. So our team in the Netherlands, we provide a solution to the customers to avoid these kind of problems. So this is the solution we provide together with diesel generators with our product, a hybrid ESS system. It delivered surge power for startups, and it also helps the diesel generators runs at 50 to 70% ultimate loads. And the result is save more than 30% for fuels, and also helps the diesel generators have a longer use life. And yeah, this is the ideas. Also for the rental companies, you can rent the diesel generators together with our product as a package, and it's not only benefits your company but also to your customers to save money. Here I have a short videos to show you how the unit works in real time. So the next case is in the US. This is a project we have in our US team. The background is in the Hollywood area. It's in the Hollywood area. It's a very busy and entertainment hub, hosting film premieres and large events. And this requires a massive temporary power for lighting, sound, broadcasting, and hospitalities. So yeah, we got this request from local customers, and our team provide a solution. We deployed a hybrid system, delivery 408 service at 208 volts, and it powered multiple event zones and with non-stop powers for 72 hours and without relying on the grid. And it has a clean and quiet power supply and no interruptions during the entire event schedule. This is also a good example for customers. They might need these solutions for their customers. All right, the final case is a case in Australia. Our team in Australia got a request from customers. They want to charge the car in the off-grid area. Yeah, but this is nowadays that you don't have a lot of solution for this, but we, Roypower, we provide solutions with our products to help the customers can charge in the off-grid area. So this is how it looks like on the right side, together with solar panels. So we showcase the PC 15 kT combined with EV chargers from our partner in Australia, and it is a portable ESS with a solar input, and you can off-grid charging the car anywhere you want. And also, it's a good yeah for the fleet, for the events. Okay, in short, the innovation applications of the mobile ESS and the DG ESS, you can use it for outdoor event, festivals, emergency and emergency backup situation, mobile healthcare units, military and field operations, mining and oil field operations, telecom towers, and data nodes. So I have here 3 questions for you. Maybe you can drop your ideas in the chat. What other scenarios do you think mobile ESS could transform? If you had the mobile ESS today, which of your project would be powered first? And do you see more value in cost saving, sustainabilities, or mobile for your business? Okay, so yeah, in this topic, I'm gonna give you more information about the product. First, I'm gonna show you a video of the PC 15 KT. So I think the video is pretty clear for you. All the information for the product. So this is the size of product. The PC 15KT. The weight is around 670 kg. Actually, the size from the under is like a pellet size. You can just put it on the pellets, and the height is around 1 meter, 1.1 meter. So it's a very mobile product. You can easily transport it with a truck, and it's a sport plug and play. So it's very easy to use. You just connect the cable, and also if you have a solar panel, you connect the solar panel to charge the battery, to charge the unit, and also for output. You have also a smart screen on the unit. You can also control everything from here. But you have also a remote monitor system. You can connect with the applications we provide, and also on the website. And the whole unit is IP54, which is waterproof. You can also use it outdoor. So, for example, for construction site, for festivals. I think in Europe there's a lot of festivals. It requires like a power supply, and you can use this for the for the power supply. It is how it looks like at the front. And this part is the inverters, and this part is the DC-DC optimizer, and the other part is the battery packs. A single unit, it has a 15 kilowatt power, 33 kilowatt hours for capacities, and you can connect up to 6 units. And each battery pack is around 5.5 kilowatt hours. So this is the technical specifications for the units. So if you want, you can make a screenshot of it. But in the end, you can have my information. I can also send you by email. All right. So the next product I want to show you is the X250KT, for the bigger project. That's the video that show you how the unit work in the real case. So this is the unit, how it look like. The colors in orange, but if you want, you can also change to different colors. So the total weight of this unit is a bit bigger. It's around 4,700 kilo, and the height is around 2.4 meters. Yeah, this is the size. It's like a container size, but it's like a smaller one, a block. If this house looks like from the front and from the back, you can see here's the all the battery packs, the BMS, and you have also air condition inside of the unit to keep it cool, and on behind. On the backside of the unit, you have also a fire protection system, also a breaker. And this unit, you can also connect up to 8 units in parallel to have a bigger power and a bigger capacity. And the output of 1 unit for the power is around 150 kilowatts. And this is the technical specification for this unit. So feel free to make a screenshot. Right. So this is the topic that I talked before. This is the app and web management of the product. So not only we will provide the application on your mobile phone, but also you can log in to the monitoring website on your PC or your laptop. You can have a real-time live track on all the information from the unit, but also the location of the unit and also the history of all the use from the units. And if there's need like a software update, you can also update the unit through the application or through the web. I think this is a very added value function for the units. All right, so the next topic is why partner with Roypal. All in-house design. The BMS, the PCS, the EMS is all developed by Roypal self, and we have all the international certifications, UL, CE, CB, Roche, and we have more than 295 patterns, and also high capacity manufacturing. The factory size is around 75,000 square meters, and the produce capability is around 8 gigawatt hours a year. And strong quality control and testing. All the product we send out to Europe or to the US is all tested out. Authorized lab with CSA and TUV and all the other certifications. And global presence. We have more than 70 subsidiaries, office worldwide to support our dealers with sales, service, and technical support. If you become a Roypal dealers, you will get also a professional training from our local employees that we will send someone to you to your companies to give you trainings. Customer service support, also very important. The after sales. We will not only give you like the pre-sale support, but also after sales support locally. Marketing support also as well. So for example, if you're gonna attend some exhibitions, we will also support you with all the information from our product you need, maybe like a flyers or some roll-up stands. And also aftermarket support. We have our local technical team with our local service vans. We can send them to you to solve some problem if there is any problems. Okay, now we are ended up with the Q&A parts. This is some questions we gathered from our customers. The first one is, how does ESS reduce DG size requirements? The answer is ESS supplies peak and surge powers, allowing a smaller DG to run stable at optimal loads instead of being oversized. The second question is, can it operate in the extreme environment? Yes. The systems are designed with IP-rated enclosures, which is 54, wide temperature tolerance, heating and cooling functions, and a robust BMS. And this is also, I think, interesting questions. What is the payback period for a hybrid ESS project? Typically 2 to 4 years, depending on the diesel cost, run hours, and the renewable integration. Now, how is the after-sales support handled in remote regions? Remote monitoring system that we can solve problem remotely, but we have also local technical team that we can send to you to solve the problem on site. The final question is, can ESS integrated with solar and other renewables? Absolutely. The ESS accept input from the PV, also wind power or grids, and it's maximize the renewable oscillations and reducing DG runtime. To conclude, I think the days of diesel-only powered are numbered, and we believe that the future is hybrid, mobile, and renewable energies. And we, as Roypow, is here to help business to reduce cost, lower emissions, and stay ahead of the curve. Okay, so now is the time for some Q&A. If you have any questions for the product or for the applications, feel free to drop it in the chat. If you have further questions, you can also send me a message on the WhatsApp or by email. All right, so I'm gonna close this webinar. Thank you for your attention, and thank you for your time for today. And we hope that you have a lot of information learned from us today of the product. And I wish you have a wonderful day. Okay, bye bye.